I'm going to make some F1 banana cream pancakes. And so I just put all the ingredients into the blender, whiz it up, and that's it. I've got a banana, pop it into the blender, there. Some cider vinegar, which really helps to give the baking powder a little bit of a lift. Water, some oats, baking powder, and then what makes these a great source of fibre, of course, is a scoop of oat apple fibre. Got some PDM, tablespoon of that going in, and 1 serving or 2 tablespoons of the new generation banana cream, which really amplifies the banana flavour in here in these pancakes. Blend it all up. That's it. It's quite a thick mixture, it needs to be, so don't worry. And then turn on the hob. Allow the pan to get quite hot and then place blobs of the pancake mixture on the pan. Cook on one side until they've got a nice golden brown colour and then turn over. Don't turn over before they're properly coloured underneath. They're cooked when they're golden brown on the outside and they have just a nice gentle spring in the centre. Make sure you don't cook these pancakes on a pan or a heat that's too high. Otherwise, they brown on the outside before they cook in the centre, so just watch out for that. Okay. Some berries are lovely over the top, or sliced bananas. They look lovely. Banana cream pancakes.